Hello class. So today we learned about graphing system of equations, which just means we are graphing two equations instead of one on a coordinate plane. Remember, we are graphing in y equals mx plus b, and m is my slope and b is my y-intercept. This is where the line crosses the x-axis, okay? So just as a reminder, our slope is y over x, and it is our rise over run. Our y can either be up if it's positive and down if it's negative, all right? Our run, which is our x-axis, goes left and right. Right if it's positive, and left for negative. That's going to be our key to help us determine. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to graph our equations. Here we have y equals -1. We don't see a rate. All I see is a y-intercept, but no rate. So we're going to be on the y-axis, we're going to have -1. And there's no slope, so that means I'm not going to rise or run. I'm just going to go straight across. This line is no slope. And I'm just going to go like this. And I am going to label my line with the equation so you know what line you graphed. The next one I'm going to do is here. And it says y equals -5/2x plus 4. So I'm going to identify for this one what my m is and what's my b. My m, looking here, is my slope. It's -5/2. And my b is 4. One more time, my b is my starting point, which is my y-intercept. I'm going to go to 4, +4, and put my dot. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down 5 because it's negative, and then I'm going to the right 2 because it's positive. So down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to the right 2, 1, 2. Now I can see where this graph is going to intersect because there's a point on the line. And I'm going to graph my line. This equation is y equals -5/4 x plus 4. That's for this line. The last thing I need to do is find the intersection point. What point does these two share? Where do they cross? To make sure that where they cross, where they're equal. I am going to look for the coordinate. I see 2, -1. So 2, -1 is the intersection point. What I want you to do is make sure you're looking at your notes on vocabulary and steps on how to graph an equation. You should, 1, make sure you identify your m and your b, and you will graph your points using your y over run, and graph and extend your lines. Make sure they go further out.